All right, today we're diving into a really powerful framework for building wealth in the digital world. It all comes down to three key pillars, so let's just jump right in.
Okay, let me ask you something. What if your next big income stream came not from stocks or crypto, but from something you already have? I'm talking about your knowledge. And look, this isn't some far-off dream. People are doing this right now, from literally anywhere.
So think about this. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? The source we're looking at lays out two very different paths. Path 1, you're kind of just waiting around for the next small salary bump. Path 2, you're living life on your own terms. We're talking freedom, travel, making smart moves with your money. The choices you make today, well, they're going to decide which road you end up on.
Okay, so how do we actually get on that second path, right? It all kicks off with this core idea, the digital wealth premise. It's basically about taking what's already in your head and turning it into something you can sell, an actual asset. And this is why it's such a game changer. Think about it. With digital products, all the usual business nightmares, they just disappear. No shipping, no manufacturing, no boxes piling up in your garage. It's just pure profit from what you know. A straight line from your brain to your bank account. It's awesome.
All right, let's get into the nitty-gritty. Pillar number 1, specificity sells. Now, pay close attention here, because this is the foundation for everything, and it's exactly where most people trip up right at the start.
We're starting simple with things like PDF guides. But hold on, don't picture some dusty, boring academic paper. No, we're talking about super focused, get-to-the-point documents that solve one very real, very annoying problem for somebody.
And here is the classic mistake beginners make. You see that on the left? How to make money online? Who's going to buy that? It's way too broad. But look at the right. How to make 30,000 rupees in 60 days using freelancing as a college student in India. See the difference? That's a specific promise for a specific person. That's what people pay for. Specificity is literally everything.
So you might be thinking, why would anyone pay for this? All the information is online for free. And yeah, you're right, it is. But it's a mess, right? It's scattered all over the place. People aren't buying information, they're buying order. They're buying a clear, simple path from A to B. They're buying confidence. And here's a pro tip to really boost the value. Don't just sell the guide, sell the action plan. Throw in some templates, checklists, worksheets, anything that helps them put the information to use right away. Make it impossible for them not to get results.
I absolutely love this quote. If knowledge alone made people rich, Wikipedia would have Lamborghinis. It just hits the nail on the head, doesn't it? Information is cheap. It's everywhere. What's rare and what people will pay for is the application. Your job is to be that bridge.
Okay, so PDFs are a fantastic starting point. But what if I told you there's a way to sell something before you even build it? Seriously. This brings us to pillar 2, which is honestly like a cheat code for this whole thing.
The secret? Live workshops. Think about it. It's the perfect low-risk way to see if your idea is any good. You can earn money right from the get-go, and you instantly look like an expert, all without having to create a huge product first.
The source calls this the safe mode business model, and it's easy to see why. You literally don't build a thing until you know people want to buy it. You just announce a topic, see who signs up for a wait list, and only if you get enough interest, then you go ahead. If not, hey, no harm, no foul. No wasted time or money. It's brilliant.
So why does this work so well? Why do people pay for a live workshop? It's all about access. They're paying for access to you. They get to ask questions in real time, get personal guidance, and feel that energy you get from a group of people all working on the same thing. It's way more than just a lesson.
And come on, let's be real for a second. How many videos do you have saved in your watch later list that you've, never watched? A live event has urgency. It's happening at a specific time, so you have to show up. It forces action in a way that a saved video just never will.
Workshops are incredible, for sure, but they still trade your time for money. If the goal is real hands-off freedom, you need a system. And that brings us to the final level up, Pillar 3, the wealth system. This is where we get into passive income.
And by system, we mean digital courses. But again, erase that image of a 40-hour snooze fest from your mind. A great course isn't about dumping information. It's a transformation package. It's totally focused on getting someone from point A to a specific, tangible point B.
This slide just nails the difference. Look at the losing side, complete stock market mastery. That's just overwhelming. Nobody knows where to start. But the winning side?
How to pick your first winning stock in 30 days. Yes, that's a clear, achievable goal. Remember, people don't buy content, they buy results. And here's the beginner-friendly hack that connects everything. You don't need to lock yourself away for 6 months to build a course. Just do what we talked about in Pillar 2. Host a live workshop, hit the record button, and then package those recordings up and sell them as an automated course. Boom! One effort, 2 income streams. This quote really gets to the heart of it all. I bought a course not for information, but for belief. Wow, think about that. People aren't just buying your knowledge. They're buying the belief that they can do it too. They're buying confidence, and you're the one giving it to them.
Okay, so as we bring this all together, let's boil it down. What's the one big idea that connects the PDFs, the workshops, and the courses?
It's this. You don't sell information. You just don't. You sell outcomes. You sell transformation. You sell structure. That's the secret sauce behind all of this.
And that leaves us with one final thought. Knowledge without action, it's just entertainment. So after hearing all this, the real question is, what's one small thing you can do, like right now, to start building your own path? What's your takeaway? Thanks for tuning in.